Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. I'm posting post-market and pre-market levels for Bank Nifty regularly, so please watch my videos on daily basis so you can get some idea and then analyze on your own methodology. Okay, so coming to the topic, this is for pre-market analysis for tomorrow Bank Nifty. Okay, Wednesday. So Thursday will be the expiry date. It will be a monthly expiry. So maximum tomorrow, like as per the analysis, it will be a little trending day, but chances of range bound to because like it will be um, like a premium theta decay. So it will happen by tomorrow maximum. Uh, but as per the analysis, it will be little trending day only. So anyway, we cannot able to predict 100%, but we have to know what is going on in the market and how to play accordingly. So as per the analysis, so this is the plan for tomorrow. This blue line 47 and not 712, and this center zone. Once market like if it is gap up open, something like here, okay, we have to wait because market will take a retracement here something. So once breaking this red line 4790 and started a retracement, okay, then go for long. Okay, then it will go up to here. Okay, this is your first target. Once breaken this 4932 only, then another long up to 41 151. Okay, so maximum market will be long position. Okay, as per the analysis, trying to recover from the down range. So maximum if it will be long, so we have to wait for the breakage here. Once broken this 4719, this red line, then wait for the retracement at the day morning first off. Okay, then it will reach this 4924, so around 150 points. Okay, once they breaken here, then you can go long up to next level. Okay, after 50 to 60 percentage, follow your trailing stop loss and also make your stop loss on every trading. Okay, so this is for long position. For short position, so here if it is broken this range or it is open like a gap down or whatever it is, wait for the clear trend. Once it's retracement and broken this, okay, and come to like a previous day low. Okay, so once it's happened and breaking this green line. Okay, so because market can reverse from here also and stucking with this zone. So once broken and started the retracement from coming to down, then take short position. This is like a small, like a scalping kind of. We can do the trailing stop loss up to previous day low if you want. Okay, for clear short opportunity, wait to break previous day low. Okay, once broken, then you can reach this 4400 zone. Okay, and stop your profit booking from here itself around 4400. Market can start reversing from here. So for short position, once broken this 4610, this green line, then go for short position. After the second level, this previous day low has been broken. Okay, for long it will be here. Okay, once broken this red zone 4790. First profit booking will be 4932, and second will be here 41 150. Okay, anyway, follow the trailing stop loss because market can reverse at any time 50 or 60% itself based on the news and other things. Okay, so this is the levels for tomorrow Bank Nifty. So analyze the charts and take decisions on your own. Okay, because you are investing your money, so think about it and plan it accordingly. Let me know on comments by tomorrow how it was work, or is there any other suggestions. Okay, so once started market, please, normally I'm suggesting to wait for the clear trend. Okay, so then only you can able to sustain with the market for long time. Okay, and the other thing, for the beginners, don't enter blindly with these levels or anyone giving levels or calls. Okay, first analyze the market and learn with the paper trading kind of tradings. Okay, don't enter directly with the live market. It will be more difficult for your capitals. Okay, okay, fine. It's done for the day. So mark these levels and analyze on your own, and let me know. So by tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you.